I found 5 great deals that I wanted to share with you today. These are solid performers. I use them in the workshop and I couldn't be happier. And each one of these tools will save you 4, sometimes even 5 times the amount of cost that you can buy any of these things in a big box store. Interested? Here we go. Clamps are one of those funny things that you just can't get enough of. I went to Harbor Freight, got 2 versions of this clamp. This one is big and clunkier. It has a little bit of a different profile as far as holding on to things. This one is a solid performer, nice ratcheting, item 96210, and it's got the little clamp. If I have any qualms about Harbor Freight clamps, is that the softness of this, it's more plasticky and less rubbery. I don't know why they don't put a little more solid rubber piece on there. But otherwise, the construction is just as good as you can get anywhere at 1/5 of the cost. This one, pretty much all plastic. Same comments about the padding. Why don't they just go with rubber? Otherwise, solid performer. These sand grits, fine grit, medium grit is 46752, and the fine grit is 46753. Get these for about $6 and get 1 sponge or maybe 2 sponges for $5 at a big box store. I priced them the other day. I use these things all the times on my projects. I like the fact that it goes around and curves. Clean up fairly well. This probably will last me a very, very long time. This snap blade, item 97068. Got this, it was only a couple bucks. Took a chance on it and I couldn't be happier. It's got the nice steel area, nice solid click, not going anywhere, has 2 additional blades. The thing I like about it is the really solid grip feel you get. You got rubber here, and for $2 you could easily spend 2-3 times that much anywhere else. Nice solid snap blade utility knife that you can use for foam cutting and all sorts of maker projects. I already have a digital caliper from Harbor Freight. I'm very, very happy with it. The one thing I did like about this is the X and Y. This thing's regularly on sale at $19. I had a coupon, got it for $10. This is item number 62569. It does both SAE and metric. Comes in a nice little case. It has millimeters, inches, and fractional inches. That's a lifesaver. Try to measure a hole, try to measure drills. This fractional inch will save the day. So it has all 3 for $10. There you go. 5 great deals from Harbor Freight for any maker space or workshop. These are tools that you'll use every day making great things. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching.